Hello everybody. So you want to freeze rows and columns today? Let's go. First, you need to know which row you want to freeze. So for example, you want to freeze this row right here. So you need to select the row below it. I repeat, the row below the row that you want to freeze. So you click this row over here. Can you see that? Yes. And then you go to view, and then you go to freeze, and then you click it, this one. Voila, look at this. How beautiful is this? See? Wonderful. Okay, so now if you want to undo it, or if you don't want it anymore, you just need to go back to freeze and click unfreeze. See? Done and dusted. I hope it helps. I have been a lot of fun today. I hope you do too, and see you next time. Bye bye.